slowly, watch the tail.
Okay, got
Freshest catch of the morning. Secure that section tight, we're moving out.
Winch system secure. Net's locked down.
All secure, Captain.
Is the net secure? Aye, Captain, ready to sail.
Haul in the slack on the port side. Move it. I see them, bearing 290.
Big school.
Yeah, they're
Okay.
deep.
All right, swing her around, let's drop the net now. Heave on that line. Pulling hard, Cap. Heave on the green rope, all together. Don't lose that knot.
Got it, Captain.
All right, easy now. Lower the net now. Clear on the port side, keep it steady. Keep it steady.
Think we'll find them today?
We're close. Just gotta keep pushing.
There they are, get ready!
Watch the crane, set the hydraulics.
Heave on that line now!
Look at that haul! We hit the jackpot! Stand clear.
That is a lot of fish!
Best catch of the season, boys.
Move back, everyone move back! Watch the deck, it's slick!
All right, heave. Pull it towards the bin now.
Wet the ice!
Pull it to the left, towards the scale.
Almost there, keep going.
Hold it steady up top, we're clear below.
Okay, drop it slow.
Watch the starboard side.
Bring it down easy now.
We are clear below, keep it steady.
Take the weight.
Got it.
Move it along.
All right, lift. Coming over. Down to the hold. Lower it slowly, watch the tail.
Okay, got it. Bring the ice over here.
Lift it up, easy now.
Watch the rail, don't snag it.
All right, swinging it out. got him now. Hold the line steady, bring it in. Heave, pull that slack.
Watch the net, watch the net.
Almost there, lads, keep it steady. Look at the size of these. We absolutely crushed it today, boys. All right, bring her alongside.
Fender secure, Captain.
Heave your line, deckhand. Let's tie her up.
Clear the ice, we're bringing her in now.
Steady on the stern line.
Bring it down easy, Cap. Rope's clear on the starboard side. Bring it across slowly now, watch the edge. Roger that. Setting her down now.
The colour on this one is excellent.
Freshest catch of the morning, 250 pounds. See this blistering right here above the water line? That's a priority fix.
Okay, got it. I'll note the exact location.
Easy now, straight back. Copy, watching the clearance. Bring the next one up.
$348 kilograms, spot on. The quality looks superb.
Noted, we'll take both at that grade.
Okay, bring the first pallet out slowly.
Copy that, watching the forklift.
Temperature reading is good. Log that in the system. Copy that. Moving to the next batch. Okay, that's 250 on the dot.
Grade A, yellow tag.
Moving it to bin 3.
Here we separate the major loins, the lean akami, the marbled chutoro, and the prized otoro.
We separate the major loin sections, the akami, the chutoro, and the highly prized otoro.
Look at the chromatography results here.
That confirms the low mercury count we saw earlier.